All right, so now that we've talked a little bit about the types of matter, we're going to really focus in, especially in this unit, on one type of matter, and that's going to be about elements, okay? So first off, we have this page in our notes, and it talks about the development of the periodic table. And really what it gets to is that our periodic table is organized so that we can get a lot of information from it, okay? So Mendeleev created one periodic table, and it has developed into our current periodic table. And so one of the things that one of the pieces of information that we can get out of our periodic table is the periodic law, right? So the periodic law states that when elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic number, which they are, we'll talk more about that later, there is a periodic repetition of their physical and chemical properties, okay? And it manifests, right? This periodic law manifests in the periods and the groups, okay? So it shows up when we look at periods and groups. So what is that? A group is like this right here, right? 1A group goes down, right? Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. This is a group, okay? So groups are vertical, and then periods are horizontal. Okay, so a period would be like the fourth period here, where we go from potassium, calcium, all the way over here to bromine and krypton. Okay, so when we look at either a period or we look at a group, we'll see that some of their properties are repeated, or there's a change that we can understand in those physical or chemical properties, okay? So we also have metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. And in here, if you read these, you should be able to find some of the common properties of metals, nonmetals, and metalloids, okay? But if we go to the next page, what we're going to do is we're going to start labeling and getting familiar with our periodic table. We're going to label our metals, nonmetals, and metalloids, and then we want to get some definitions and know where our periods or groups are, okay? So you can color whatever color you want, but our metals are going to do a dance. All right? Our metals are down here. So we point down, okay? Our metals are over here. Our nonmetals, they're still coming down the stairs. They're up on that side. And then our metalloids are in between, okay? So you should be able to fill this out now.